How you doing everyone? It's Kevin. I'm back with another video. Today we're going to be building some more hooks. We're trying to get the forge going here. Once I get this forge going, we're going to be beating up on some steel here. Let me show you what I'm going to be working with. Alright, this is the steel we're going to be using. We're going to be using these huge concrete nails. I had some of these, so I figured, hey, why not give them a try? I've heard of people using them for making hooks and stuff out of. So we're going to try to make some concrete hooks. Concrete nail hooks. Okay, we got the forge going. We're going to get started on this. Comparing that to another nail, it's actually getting pretty big. Okay, here are hooks. Now, I just drilled 1/8 inch holes through the backs of them to be able to screw them to the wall. I will be making a jig for my anvil to beat the holes in there. It's a little bit quicker for me just to drill them but I think I like them beat in there better anyhow. But I will be making a jig because the last time I had a pretty hard time putting a hole in that one. So I'll make a jig for my vise here that'll set on there, and I'll be able to beat them holes in there. But anyhow, we're going to go ahead and heat these up a little bit, and I'm going to do a little something here different. I got a little wire brush here. It's a brass wire brush. I'm going to heat these up a little bit, and then we're going to brush them with the wire brush and see if we can get a little bit of that brass to rub off on that steel. So we'll just take one of them at a time and heat them up. I don't know exactly how hot that has to be able to get some of that brass on there, but we're going to heat them up a little more. I think it's actually working, believe it or not. Now my problem was when I went to pick up a brass brush is I wanted a real brass brush, and you know, anymore you can't find anything with a real anything in it. Let's see how it works on this, and this it might be a little bit hotter. It's getting a little brass tint to it. I don't think you want these really, really hot when you do this. I think they look pretty cool with a little bit of brass tint on them. You could tell the difference in them. I'll give you a little close-up. See how that's black? That's got a little bit more of a... See how it's rubbing off on there? That's cool. Watch that right there, watch. You can see it turning brass color. It's not a lot, it's just a little tint to it. Then we're going to rub these down with our... We're going to rub them down with our beeswax so they don't rust up. Alright, we got our hooks done. I just laid them on this piece of wood to show you what they would look like in maybe a coat rack or something. Now the very end one over here is the same as that one over there, and these are supposed to be the same in the middle. I don't think I did that bad on them. I think they look pretty decent. This is the second time we beat out hooks. I've only done them on video, so you guys know what I beat out. Right there they are. Well, I'll tell you what, if you want a fun little project that doesn't cost a lot of money to do, these little hooks ain't too bad. Now I know if you go and you buy these at the store, you're going to pay about 40 cents a piece for them. But 40 cents for a little coat rack, that's pretty cheap. So I did do the little brass brushing on there to give them a little bit of a brass tint just to see if I could do it. And I think it did okay. I think it did fairly nice. So that's the hooks. That's the second time we've done the hooks, and I think we did fairly decent. Each time we do them, we'll get better and better. So I would like to tell everybody thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe. Leave me thumbs up, thumbs down, or a comment if you'd like. Till next time.